What's up, Super Squad? It's Jordan Gatelius. Welcome to another Zero to Hero training video. We recently showcased a beginner's full body home calisthenics workout to highlight how to hit each muscle group the best way without a gym, without any equipment, without a problem. And today we're going to be demonstrating even more variations and progressions for even more super shredding progress. Alright, Super Squad, let's get started. In case you missed it, the last video covered an entire fat stripping, lean muscle gaining superhero workout in the gym. But for all you guys out there with no gym, no problem, because I'm going to show you how to do the exact same workout without even having to leave your room, all while achieving the same superhero-like results. If you want to look like a superhero, you've got to train like a superhero, even when you're just at home without a gym and without any equipment. That doesn't mean that you can't get superhero shredded. You can, with explosiveness and high intensity. And the home workout I'm about to share with you is going to help with just that. Hitting your whole body with the right amount of intensity, effective and efficient enough at actually triggering fat loss and lean muscle gains. So you can finally shred the fat away and build the superhero physique and gain the superhero strength, all in the comfort of your own home. So let's get to it. Suit up, Super Squad. Alright, the first thing we're going to hit is your chest, and we're going to hit it with push-ups, but not just any push-ups, kick-up push-ups. I'm going to show you exactly how to do these. Get on the ground into push-up position, and what you're going to do is a push-up, but at the bottom of the motion, you're going to kick up and get all your body weight driven into your chest by doing that. And the motion isn't just all one like, whoa, push up just like that. Not like that. It's one right after the other. So it should look just like this, starting with your hands directly below your chest, in line with your chest throughout the entire movement. Start up here, go down into the push-up. Once you get down close to the ground, kick up, boom. Try to balance there. Once your feet land, push back up, just like that. So, putting it all together, boom, just like that. Again, kick up, boom, drive yourself back up. And your form for these are just like they would be for normal push-ups. Steady and controlled reps. Keep your hands in line with your chest at all times. Keep your elbows tucked in towards your body. Don't flare them out and up and get them flaring up in line with your shoulders. You want to keep them in line with your chest too. And if you've never done these, they'll be tough at first, and you probably won't get too much height on your kicks, and you'll be landing pretty hard. But as you progress with them, you'll be able to get your legs kicked up easier, higher, and hanging in the air longer, almost like they're floating. And you'll also learn to soften your landing. All important keys to getting the best out of this one. You always want to get your form right to get your body right. Alright guys, these take an already great exercise, push-ups, and make them even better by adding some intensity to them with that kick up. And that is the kind of intensity that is sure to fire up your body for fat burn, and specifically your chest, and get it chiseled up. Let's move on to the next muscle group. All right, now we've got to hit the other side of your upper body. We've got to hit your back. And for your back, we're gonna be doing lat pull downs. But how do we do these at home? We're not at the gym. We don't have a lat pull down machine. Well, all you need is a hand towel. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do these just using this. You're gonna get on the ground just like this, grabbing the towel just like this at shoulder width, and gonna bring your body into an X shape just like that, keeping your toes at shoulder width as well. And from here, you're gonna flex your back, you're gonna arch your back, and balance just on your hips, just like this. From here, you're already engaging your back and placing tension in it. From here, you're pointing your toes and you're pulling the towel outwards. This is your starting position. And from here, as you're pulling that towel outwards, you're gonna simultaneously pull it down towards your chest, just like this, squeezing your lats once you get it there. And then reversing the motion. All the while, trying to pull that towel outwards towards the sides. Right from the start, once you take your upper and lower body off the ground and start bouncing on your hips, you should already feel your entire back being engaged. Your lower back, your lats, everything. And when you bring that towel down towards your chest, really squeeze those lats together. Focus on getting the strongest contraction you can out of your back. And the same when you're extending back to the starting position, get the best stretch out of it that you can. And make sure you're performing the move steadily and controlled. Don't do it too fast. Try to aim for at least a 5-second cadence, bringing that towel down towards your chest, and another 5-second cadence, returning it to the starting position, totaling out for a 10-second rep. All right, guys, who says you need a gym to get a good workout in? You could get a great workout in right at home. With enough creativity and with enough towels, you could do all those gym workouts right at home. Let's move on to the next muscle group, your arms. All right, now moving on to your arms, we're gonna start off with your shoulders, and we're gonna hit your shoulders with pike presses. So to do these, you're gonna get on the ground, placing your hands at shoulder width apart, and bringing your body into a V shape, just like this. From here, all you're gonna do is slowly lower yourself towards the ground, and the closer you get, you wanna slide forward, just like that. Once you get to the bottom of the motion, drive yourself back up by reversing that motion, boom. And as you're lowering to the ground, you really want to be pressing your body weight into your shoulders. This is going to happen naturally through the movement, but you can also give it a little extra by pushing off the balls of your feet to drive just a little bit more resistance into your shoulders. And when you push yourself up back to the starting position, that should all be powered through your shoulders. Drive it all through your shoulders, all the while keeping your elbows in front of you, just like a shoulder press in the gym. Don't flare your elbows outward. And that added slide at the end of the motion is what helps you get even further emphasis and engagement on your shoulders. All right, guys, that is one of the most well-rounded shoulder shapers to get the most well-rounded shredded shoulders. Now, let's shred up the rest of your arms. All right, next part of your arms, triceps. In the gym, to hit all three of your tricep heads, we did a press into an extension, and we're gonna do the exact same thing here at home. So to do these, you wanna get on the floor, in to push-up position, hands at about shoulder width, just like this. They're gonna be directly below your chest. From here, you're gonna go into that press, just like this, until your body is almost touching the ground. And from here, you're not gonna press yourself back straight up. What you wanna do is actually press forward so you drive yourself back diagonally. So it's a forward press, and see how you drive back diagonally? From here, you're gonna do that extension by bringing your forearms down to the ground till they're just barely touching it. And again, pressing in a forward motion to drive yourself back up diagonally, and then slide back to the starting position of that press. And that's the whole movement right there. It's a tricep press into a tricep extension. And just like in the gym version, you wanna make sure you keep your elbows nice and tight tucked into your body. Keep your arms parallel to your body and drive the whole movement through your triceps. That's what that forward pressing motion helps you accomplish even further, as opposed to just pressing and pushing in a straight up and down motion. All right, guys, that's the same great 2-in-1 as the gym version, but without the gym and without any equipment. Now, let's finish off your arms. Let's do it, guys. Now we've got to hit the other part of your arms, your biceps, and we're gonna hit them with underhand grip push-ups. So to get into position for these, get on the ground in push-up position, but of course with an underhand grip. And you want your hands lined up a little bit below your chest, in between your chest and your waist. This is your starting position here. And instead of going down in a traditional push-up motion, you actually want to simulate the motion of a curl by trying to bring your shoulders to your hands, just like this. And then reversing that motion back to the starting position. By performing them this way, instead of a traditional push-up motion, you're really able to emphasize and maximize that stress and tension on your biceps. Also notice the rest of my body. As I go into that curl, my body doesn't stay in a straight line. My butt actually comes up so that I could get into this position. So be aware of that. This also helps you drive more of your body weight into your biceps for added tension and resistance. And really focus on getting as much tension out of the extension portion of this one just as much as the contraction. Both are equally important. You need quality stretches and contractions for the best results possible. All right, guys, you really feel the burn on this one in your biceps. Let's get you feeling that same burn for the next muscle group. Now for your abs, get on the floor, get your body in a straight line, hands at the sides, and you're gonna do leg twist crunches. So what you do is bring your legs up, your butt off of the ground, lift the rest of your upper body off the ground through your abs. Boom, like that. Feel that crunch in your abs. Slowly lower back down. And when you come back up, twist to the side. Back down. And now, same thing, just to the opposite side. Back down, balancing on your upper back, not touching your buttocks to the ground, and really focus on engaging this whole movement through your abs. Get your lower body raised up by engaging from your core and keeping that tension in your core by steadily controlling your body on the way down. Through every crunch, through every twist, through every part of this exercise. And there you go, guys. That's how you strengthen and shred up your core right at home with no gym, no equipment, but all the same great intensity. Now let's finish off this workout by doing the same thing for the last muscle group, your legs. Let's do it, guys. All right, to finish off this workout and lower the boom on your lower body, we're gonna be doing jump switch lunges. A lunge into a jump, switching your legs positioning in the air and landing in that new positioning and back into the starting position. So it looks like this. Lunge, jump, switch, up. And since you're working your legs on this one, you want to make sure you're powering the whole move through your legs. So you don't want to be pumping your arms, trying to help yourself drive yourself up into the air. You want this all to come from your legs. So just try to keep your arms static. You want to keep your knee off the ground and try to keep your body square at all times. Keep your legs square. You're not placing one foot in front of the other in a line. They're staying at about shoulder width apart, and you're driving the whole thing through your lower body. And try to keep a soft landing. All important keys to getting the best out of this one. All right, guys, that finishes off your entire body for this super shredding home workout. The superhero workout that's gonna get you looking and feeling like a superhero. You wanna make sure you do each of these workouts for 3 sets, taking each of those sets to failure, falling within the 4 to 12 rep range, the ideal rep range for building muscle and gaining strength. And you can't build a complete body without a complete intake. So make sure to subscribe to the Super Vegan, another Zero to Hero Athletics channel completely dedicated to that. And to get everything strategically structured in full step-by-step training guides, head over to zerotoherotransformation.com to get started and find the right one for you. For all the best ways you could be supersizing and super shredding your superhero physique for the ultimate zero to hero transformation. And there you go, Super Squad. That's how you go from zero to hero right at home. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. If you enjoyed this training video, make sure you Hulk smash that like button. Share the video to share the shreds and help someone else out and keep the Super Squad growing. Leave some comments below about what you'd like to see covered in future training. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future Zero to Hero transformation tips. Always remember, Super Squad, you'll never shine if you never burn. So keep burning to keep shining, and I'll see you next time.